multipliers. 8x for blue, 3x for red. Good luck. And we got a red with a 3x multiplier. Let's get back. 1,180 winners. Suppose. Get me 50x squares time and I will marry you. Dude, there's a line of people who would marry me without any multipliers. So, let's get back to another round. That's our first. Yeah. 15x for the coin flip. Say yes! Look at that, we got a coin flip with 15x. I was too excited. Okay, everyone, back to the coin flip. We have a coin two side. This is red, blue, red type. Face up, let's reveal the multipliers. 15x for red, 4x for blue, let's multiply everything by 15. 225x for red, 60 for the blue. Good luck. Yes! We got 225x. But 5 or 2x, I will never see it, so it doesn't matter. Because with the last casino, he couldn't, now he could. But not for me to know. Also, it is going to be number 2. Yes, I know then. She's 7 had 6 winners in total. Doesn't matter. You can chill. I ain't gonna stop until I see police and lights. Yeah, fine. Nice, the best dealer. I am. How old are you? I'm in my 20s. Praise down 25x. Okay, Bob is building already. Hi, bro. Hello to you. Bob is building, and I told you so. Yes. After some numbers, the sun must shine. It is going to be crazy time with a crazy host. No, that's what I'm talking about. Through ups and downs, that's how we go. Good luck. Peekaboo, 1,325 winners in total. The highest win is here. Now that's what I'm talking about. Place the best. And every flapper was success, I would say so. Even the lowest one, 500x it was. For yellow. Last week.
New spin and away. Alright, mate. Bye. Nah, but good. Mahal kita. That means I love you in Philippine language. 10x cash ons! 10x cash on, ladies and gentlemen! Let's get in with a cash on with a 10x from that Topslot, baby! Let's get in, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check out the multis. Come on. We need that 500x. Well, now 100x is the highest, but let's add that 10x top slot. So that means 1000x is the highest. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start a carousel here. Let's mix them all up. Juicy. Crazy, ladies and gentlemen. That's insane. Wow. Wow, wow. So, decision time is yours. Take a good aim, take a good shot, and let's try to hunt down the 100x. But if you do not want to do it yourself, guys, auto pick is here to help. 3, 2, 1. I would go with this cactus. What would I get? Oh, I would get 50x. Crazy. 750s. Where is the 1000? I can't find it, but my congratulations. Ooh, Jerry, Emma, top winners enjoyed. Betting time it is. Let's move on. New spin, new opportunity. I'm wishing you best of luck. La, 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 la. 10x cash in. Ladies and gentlemen from Topslot. Can we? Ladies and gentlemen, no way! That's another cash hunt! No way! With a 10x from the top slot! The Baba! Whoa! This is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. 100x the highest. Let's add that 10x. Woo! So 1000 once again is the highest. Let's go. Let's add a carousel, ladies and gentlemen. What a recovery for me. I mean, you're sharing in it with me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, when the carousel gonna stop, your mission is take a good aim, take a good shot, and try to hunt it down. The 1000x, guys. 1000x. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm gonna go with this apple now. Apple, apple, apple. Oh, that's 100x, bro. That's cheap. 100x, but anyways. My congratulations to all the winners. Let's go. Let's go.
Arguing, we're having discussion. I will just politely agree with you, sir. Let's go. Bedtime time. Yes, close now. Thank you. Good luck. Yeah. Ooh, final spin. All 520. Guess what's gonna be the ending of this session? 10x on crazy time, you wild animals. Cash hand, whatever. Whatever, you're gonna get 1000x potential right now. Isn't this polite, mister? Huh. Okay, so let's add the upgrade shot. Looking beautiful. Come on, go, fast. I need to go and clean the snow of my car, guys, now. I don't know where that 1000x is. Too many good things, but I'm sure you'll figure out where it is. Your intuition's strong. I could tell. The carousel mix everything randomly. And as we know from the previous cash hands, you'll need to guess where the basil is. 15 seconds given, answer pick provided. And after this amazing, stunning, best bonus round with me for tonight, I'm gonna leave you in the safe hands of the other lady. I'm gonna give myself a little shot too. I wanna have a rabbit in the bottom. They say follow the right rabbit. 1K was on the full throw from the top. Mine was 150x. Huge congrats on your winnings, guys, especially those that scored this super massive 1000x deal. Enjoy the cash.
One winning subtle bidding time, but for real, Chris, I'm telling you, I was like a snail today. Every single time when I needed to make a turn, I was Victoria the Drifter is my new name. And good luck. Crazy time, good 5x. Is there a lot of snow? Well, considering there was none yesterday, yes. Come on, this time, yes! Okay, it's not back to back, but we actually waited for that 5x to appear from the top slot. Brilliant! Follow me, please. Wait. And welcome back. This is Crazy Time bonus round, ladies and gentlemen, and 5 times multiplier. Let's get it started. So first things first, we're gonna multiply the entire thing by 5. And then time to make a choice. Green, blue, or yellow flopper. You gotta go with one of them. If you cannot make a decision yourself, feel free to just leave it for auto-pick option. I'm ready to turn those corners now, that's for sure. 500x in the line, and good luck. Let's see what happens. Come on, yes! 125, 575x. Oh my! $7,400 winners in total. We got 500x for that blue flopper. Congratulations, and betting time is all yours. Guess I bring luck everywhere. Well, that's for sure. I think you're my lucky charm. I'm gonna carry you with me now everywhere. Number 2, get 3x. What do you think? Will you be able to fit in a carry bag or something? Ladies and gentlemen, number 10. This is the highest number in the wheel. 10 to 1 payout for 5,000 of you in betting time. This game's
Gabriel, first the Siren säger Bowie zone third now betting time. Welcome, welcome. 3, 2, 1, about to close in Joe. Hello, Blazer. Hello, Ray. How you doing, guys? What you mean, DSC? Why? Okay, and that's a 2 here. And in total, we have got 3,955 extras. Bowie's in first place, Shiva on second, and Shay is on third. Betting time now. Nappy? You're napping? Oh, I would love to have a nap as well. Actually, I'm not against a nap in any time of the day. $25 on budget. Okay. Give it here. Oh, no way. Stop! 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 Let's go! 25 on the budget. I almost skedaddled, bro. Okay, the multis will be 5, 7, 10, 15, 24, 800, and a double. Let's multiply everything on 25 now. Well, guys, do all the possible manifestations, please. The highest multi from now on will be 2,500. Okay, bye. Come on. 1,000 or 25? 1,000 or 25, bro? Let's get 1,000x on your hands, guys. Here in total, we have got 7,500.